Well, good day again, everyone. And I just want to go through a demonstration of filling this water tray up on my plasma table here. I just run regular compressed air. I don't even focus. Yeah, compressed air off the wall, and I plug it into my little, I guess you call it, control panel. And all it is little valves to cut things off. This one here is a regulator. I'm sure these, this is just a 30-gallon drum. I'm sure it's rated for some pressure, but not a lot. And so I just have my regulator set at about 3 psi's is all I go. And it seems to be more than efficient to fill up the table. If you're coming into this video blind, I have another one where I was talking about how I was satisfied with how the unit worked, but I wanted to show everybody at least how I fill it up. So I just have the compressor hooked up to it. I do have some valving underneath the table. Oh. I have that turned on, and then I just come out here and turn that on, and then you see out here you have a little geyser filling the table up. And so usually doesn't take too long at all. Now that's only about 3 psi. And we'll go set it down to like what's 2 do. That's about 2 psi. You still see the water coming out, filling up. And the fill system is just, all it is pressurizing this tank. And then over here, the pipe goes all the way down to the bottom, just probably about an inch or so off the bottom. And so it's just the air pressure is pushing down, and that's what's pushing the water into the cutting tray, I guess you want to call it. But I have found this system here works really good. And so when you get your water tray to the level that you want, I just simply turn that valve back off. And then I open this valve. This is the valve that lets pressure off the tank. And you can hear some of the air coming back out. And it'll keep doing that until it drains completely. I had made this for a suction, where it create a suction if I need to start drawing it. But it seems to do it by itself just fine. So I haven't really even had to use that. But I do, to keep it from siphoning back, I do go underneath here and I turn that off. So water tray's full. No pressure on the tank. And plasma cutter's ready to put some steel on there and cut something out. And so when I get ready to to drain it, all I do is, see, that's already open. And when I'm done cutting or whatever I want to do, I just simply turn that. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's the sound of the siphon. So it's still under a siphon. This is higher than the jug is. Pipe goes all the way to the bottom, and it'll just fill the tank up, and that empties all out. All right. Hope you guys have a great day.